In this video, I'll show you how you can share a folder on Dropbox. So what you need to do is come to dropbox.com and you'll be taken to the homepage. From here, you can go ahead and log in. Once you've logged in, go to New in the top left-hand corner. And then what we can do, we can either create a new folder, or if you've already got a folder on your computer, you can go to Upload, then click on Folder. Here it will open up File Explorer and you can then go to the location and click on the folder. I'm going to click on Files and we'll click Upload. As it's got 7 files, we need to click Upload to this here. This will then upload all of the files inside of the folder and it will add the actual folder as well. So once everything's uploaded, you'll then be able to see your folder. If you go to all files, it will be the most recent one here. You can double click and see all of the files inside of it. Now, if you wanted to share this, all you do is you right click onto it. You then hover over share and then you can click share with Dropbox. Here you can add someone's email and it will send them an invite. Or if you go to settings in the top right, you can then get a sharing link for viewing. So click that, click create link. Who has access to view this? Anyone with the link. You can then go ahead and create this link and click copy. Once you've done that, you can then share this link to anyone, and when they click on it, they'll be able to access the folder and download and access the files inside.